So you know Fern, right? The channel that puts out these cinematic documentary style videos and pulls in millions of views every single time. And honestly, that number never gets less insane no matter how many times you see it. But it got me thinking, what if we could recreate that exact same style of content using AI? So I spent weeks testing different methods, experimenting with workflows, trying out a bunch of different tools, and after all of that, I finally cracked it. I found a way to create these cinematic documentary style videos completely with the help of AI, and the best part, every single tool I used is 100% free. On top of that, I'm also going to show you a special tool that will help you find unique niches for your videos, so you're never running out of ideas. But before we get into all of that, let's first watch one of the videos I created using these exact free AI tools.
In June 2023, a small experimental submarine named Titan began its descent into the North Atlantic, carrying 5 passengers toward the wreck of the Titanic. Operated by the private company OceanGate, the mission promised a rare chance to witness history, nearly 4,000 meters beneath the surface. For years, deep-sea tourism had captured the imagination of wealthy explorers and adventurers. But this journey would soon become one of the most shocking maritime disasters in modern history.
So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, from start to finish. Exactly how you can create these cinematic documentary style videos yourself. Just follow my blueprint, and by the end of this you'll have everything you need. Now let's get into it. But before that, if you guys want to know how I find the most unique niches on YouTube, then I found a very interesting tool for you guys where you can search and find some of the best and unique new niches for yourself. It's called Nexlev. It's basically a tool which helps you to find unique niches which have lower competition and higher chances of going viral. And if you make a channel on that niche, then chances are your channel will blow up very fast. Let me show you how you can use this tool. This right here is Nexlev's dashboard, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find a section called Viral Videos on Small Channels. This feature is a total game changer. Nexlev basically tracks small YouTube channels whose videos are getting crazy views compared to their subscriber count. For example, this video right here was uploaded just 8 days ago. When I click on it, you can see the channel only has around 4,000 subscribers, but the video has blown up. This means there's high potential and low competition in that niche. So if you start a channel in this space right now, there's a solid chance your videos can go viral too. If you don't vibe with this niche, just hit the random button and Nexlev will show you more trending niches instantly. To access this feature, you'll need one of their subscription plans. I'd recommend going for the yearly plan so you can explore unlimited niches without any limits and build your dream channel with full freedom. I've used this one for a long time and it's actually really good, so if you want to save some time, you can definitely go for it. I also contacted the developer to make it a little cheaper for you guys because I know many of you are just starting out. Now, back to the video. The first thing you'll need is an AI chatbot. You can go with whatever you prefer. I'll personally be using ChatGPT. Now, to get started, open up the Google Doc that I've linked down in the description. That's where you'll find the exact prompt I use for this. It's a little lengthy, so make sure you copy the whole thing top to bottom. Every single detail inside that prompt matters, and if even one small section is missing, it will affect what you get back. Once it's fully copied, go back to your chatbot, paste it in, and hit send. And just like that, you've officially kicked everything into motion. Once ChatGPT finishes processing, it'll come back with a list of 10 different video ideas, every single one tailored to that cinematic documentary style. Go through them, see which one jumps out at you, because honestly, any of them can work. It really just comes down to which story you want to tell. For me, I'm going with option 1, the same story you saw at the top of this video, so I'll type 1 into the chat and hit send. After that, the chatbot will ask you one more thing, your video length. And this part actually matters because the length you pick directly determines how many scenes your video ends up having. I'm going with 2 minutes, so I'll just type 2 and send it through. Give it a moment to work. Once it finishes processing, ChatGPT lays out a complete cinematic breakdown of your entire video. Image generation prompts for every scene, animation prompts, a full voiceover script, sound design direction, and it even throws in a suggested title if you want to run with it. Your entire production mapped out in one single response. Now, this step is done. Let's move into the next step, image generation. Go ahead and copy that first image generation prompt. Then open up Google Flow. I'm using this specifically because it gives you completely free access to the Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro models, meaning you can generate as many images as you need without any limits. Once Google Flow is open, hit New Project and you'll land on a workspace that looks something like this. Click on the Video tab up top. Switch the mode over to image, set your aspect ratio, put your results on 2, and then for the model, go ahead and select Nano Banana 2. That's the one we'll be using throughout this project. Paste in that first image prompt and hit generate. Give it just a few seconds. And right there, your first scene begins coming to life. Once it finishes, you'll have 2 image options. Look at both of them and go with whichever one fits your creative vision best. Once you've picked, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image generation prompt. Head back into Google Flow, paste that next prompt in, and hit generate. Within just a few seconds, your second image will be ready. Take a second to choose whichever option fits your vision the best. After that, go back to ChatGPT, grab the third image generation prompt, return to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit generate once more. Just like that, your next scene is ready and the story keeps coming together piece by piece. Once that third image is finished, look it over and pick the one that best captures the story you're telling. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the fourth image generation prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it in, and generate again. And just like that, another scene is locked in. Once that image is ready, just keep repeating this exact same process for every remaining scene. Copy the prompt, go to Google Flow, generate the image, pick the best one. Do that all the way through. Now this step is done. Let's move into the next step, animation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy that first animation prompt. Then head back into Google Flow and click on the Nano Banana tab. Switch it over to video mode. Make sure it's set to frames. Select your aspect ratio and set results to 1. For the model, choose VO3 fast. This one keeps your credit usage low without sacrificing quality. Once everything is set up, drag your first image straight into the timeline. Paste in the animation prompt you just copied and hit generate. Give it a few seconds. And when it comes back, you'll immediately notice how clean and cinematic that clip looks. That's the moment where this whole thing really starts feeling real. Next, go back to your images and drag the second one into the timeline, then jump back into ChatGPT and copy that second animation prompt. Return to Google Flow, paste it in, hit generate, and let it process. And just like that, your second scene is alive, and you can start to feel the documentary flow beginning to build. Now for the third image, the workflow is exactly the same. Drag it into the timeline, head back to ChatGPT, grab the animation prompt, come back to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit generate. A few seconds later, and your third scene is ready. At this point, your documentary is genuinely starting to feel like one complete connected story. From here, just run through that same exact process for your last remaining scene. Copy the prompt, drag the image in, generate, and let it render out. And with that, your full documentary sequence is essentially complete. Go ahead and download every single clip you've generated. Put them all into one folder and keep everything organized so the next step stays simple. Now, this step is done. Let's move into the next step, voiceover generation. Go back into ChatGPT and find the voiceover section. Type in, "Give me all the voiceover lines," and have them ready to copy. Then hit send. Within just a few seconds, you'll have a complete voiceover script sitting right there, clean, polished, and ready to go. Copy all of it and head over to 11 Labs. And this right here is the step where your story finally finds its voice. This is honestly what takes everything from looking good to feeling real. Paste your full script into 11 Labs and hit generate. Just like that, your complete voiceover is done. Natural sounding, clear, and cinematic.
In June 2023, a small experimental submarine named Titan began its descent into the North Atlantic.
Go ahead and download it. Now this step is done. Let's move into the next step, and this is the final one. Editing. Open up CapCut and bring all your footage in. Once everything is imported, drag your clips into the timeline and arrange them in order. Then lay your voiceover track right on top of them. From there, go through and adjust the speed of each clip so that everything syncs up naturally with the narration. Clean up the frame sizing as well so your visuals stay tight and nothing looks off. Next, bring in your background music. The track I'm using is one I put together myself. If you want me to do a video showing how I make my own music, just drop a comment below and I'll make that. If you're pulling from CapCut's built-in library, just make sure you're choosing tracks that are free of watermarks and copyright restrictions. After the music is in, add some on-screen text over your key story moments. This helps pull the viewer in and makes the narrative feel even stronger. Once everything is looking clean and the whole thing flows smoothly from start to finish.
In June 2023, a small experimental submarine named Titan began its descent into the North Atlantic, carrying 5 passengers toward the wreck of the Titanic. Operated by the private company OceanGate,
go ahead and hit export. And just like that, Your complete AI-generated documentary is done, and it should come out looking exactly something like this.
In June 2023, a small experimental submarine named Titan began its descent into the North Atlantic, carrying 5 passengers toward the wreck of the Titanic. Operated by the private company OceanGate, the mission promised a rare chance to witness history, nearly 4,000 meters beneath the surface. For years, deep-sea tourism had captured the imagination of wealthy explorers and adventurers. But this journey would soon become one of the most shocking maritime disasters in modern history.
Now the last and final step is to create the perfect thumbnail for your video. To do that, open ChatGPT again and type this prompt. After that, hit OK, and ChatGPT will generate a different layout for you. Then simply ask it to create the thumbnail. Once it's done, ChatGPT will give you a thumbnail like this. But remember, this is not the final version yet. You can still customize the thumbnail style however you want. For example, if you want a different design, color combination, text style, or overall look, you can simply tell ChatGPT what changes you need. For example, I'm going to change the thumbnail colors and the text style, so I'll ask ChatGPT to update those parts. After that, it will generate a much better and more polished thumbnail that's ready to use for your video. And that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to check out the website Nexlev to find a unique niche for yourself. Bye bye.